Good morning. Yo, yo. This thing's got bigger. I started early because Dave just finished his stream, and also I kind of want to get finished earlier. Um, yeah, I've got a lot of backtesting today, to say the least. So we've got 1, 2. This didn't get a pullback, but did get the 1-to-1. So as it stands, green. Ah. Yes, I did schedule for 2 hours later. A little bit earlier. Still works, so that's cool. Yeah, Dave's stream was scheduled for 10. He started at 9, and it just ran for 2 hours. So I just wanted to start early, and once I've done my trading, I'm gonna go back test. Make sure I'm gonna set up a new FX replay. Might just go back to 2023, sorry. Set it up now. How's it worded? Manipulation. I'll give you 30 quid for your Val account. What? Why? 2023 Jan. I don't even know if I have access to my Valorant account. I had like there's like a couple of months last year where every day I had like 10 emails saying someone's tried logging into my Valorant and I never did anything to. I mean, I can check, but I'm pretty sure it might have been cooked. I actually had bare skins on it. Okay, alright, I've got to set my backtesting thing up. Good morning, Dan. Yeah, I realised today that just from what Dave's been saying, I just haven't been backtesting as much as I can, and over the weekend I'm essentially doing nothing. Yeah, they just blow my, yeah, 100%. I might kind of take them back in a way. um, no, what's not he up to? One sec. I need a fourth monitor, man. Actually, I'll throw it over here. I love the vertical monitors, but for some things they're so useless. Um, oh, oh. Yo, it's good slug. Yeah, Jason, that was a crazy stream, huh? I'm hoping he does upload it for tonight so I can rewatch it very soon as it's uploaded. No, he's been cooked down. 600 down, and he's man just set a bigger target, and this is what I see when I look at his stream. I'm not even gonna. Can't do it with him. Was this a swing that's high, low, closed above? Yeah. Getting really tight. I'm expecting we also just have broke the trend line to potentially. I want to see a closure below here. I still can't decide which one I prefer. Make him red currently. He is in a new one. I don't know how I feel about his new one though. um, okay, I've set my FX replay up. I've literally got it so it goes to 10:30 every single day. The thing that's irritating me with FX replay right now, if anyone uses it, the new thing they've added, which is restricted lot size on like NQ, because like some of them are 4x pairs obviously, so you can do like weird lot sizes. If you place an order, you can click restricted lot size, so it can only go up in like obviously like one contract at a time. You obviously can't do like 0.4 contracts. But like the box will not stay ticked. It does my head in. But also, I fixed my YouTube notifications. I searched it, and apparently my channel was labeled for kids or something, even though like, each video isn't. So I got rid of it. It was weird. It literally just like was grayed out. I don't really understand why if it's for kids you can't. This has been mitigated. Perhaps it was yeah mitigating this. So I've protected those also technically here. Price is getting really tight. Really better on that. I don't know why I got rid of my 30-second either. Closure for new swing now. Yeah, I've literally got essentially nothing to do over the weekend. Like one thing on Saturday. So I'm legit gonna just backtest till I can't feel my eyes. Curious how much data I can go over. I'm also gonna try and cut my sessions down this week. So what day are we on? Are we on Thursday or Wednesday? I have no clue. Thursday, okay. What Sealies? I didn't actually. Was that yesterday? Oh, sorry, it's Champions League, right? Oh, they did. I completely forgot Champions League was on last night. Yeah, I'm really out of the loop of football. I've not been paying attention. Trading is life. Oh no, I did know it was on. What am I saying? I definitely knew the Madrid game was on. So this is PSG beat Barca. Oh, 4-3 on penalties. Damn, I wish I kind of watched the penalties. So PSG are free, Bayern are free, Dortmund are free, and Madrid. Damn. Yo, thoughts, what's up, man? Crazy stream, huh? Thoughts, I say in like 10 minutes you take one for the team and I stay for the stream. It's a sacrifice for the rest of us. So it's been streaming an hour. That's loud. What? As soon as I closed my stream yesterday, we had like the biggest movement ever. We were here. I literally closed like, yeah, I'm pretty sure I closed my stream like here, and then we just actually started getting movement. I can't make it up. I was doing some trading. This range, I longed this. There was like two longs I got, maybe I longed this one also. There was two longs around here. Something get tapped away later. No real shorts. I was looking to short this back down, but there was zero entry on it. Just yeah, no entry in there. But yeah, I was trading on my phone. What do we have to the left? Hit this. Just above. Which swings out all of these. Divvying up for a great box. Any sell stoppers? Kinda wish TradingView had the same tool as Ninja Trader for like risk to reward. Down to 89. Super thin. And then what's it? 70. Why this level? Zone maybe? Just a wick, okay. Sell stop delivered. Yeah, sell stop delivered. 1 to 1. Yeah, good morning, Friction. Good morning. I need to start backtesting those reversals, the sell stop reversals. I was just looking at Dave's chart he just posted. I'm trying to figure out why 70. And he has a high zone. Oh, no, I think it's the. I believe it's this, right? 8. Yeah, I believe it's that. Never mind. So this would be the second entry for your sell stop if we don't go above the high. Until the candle just closed. I'm gonna take the short on the sell stop. I just took the short here. Oh, it doesn't come above this high. Zoom in for the minute. I thought the 1027 candle was not a part of structure because it wasn't a valid pullback, meaning there was no body closure. 1027. Yeah, for a pullback, yeah. It was just it's still a zone though, right? So it's not a swing, but I had it marked as a zone. Just because the thing, okay, that just got cooked. It was a tight stop anyway. My stop was here. Yeah, just above this candle, 2775. Because I did to the high. I want to backtest whether the with the second re-entry here, if the 1-to-1 delivers first to avoid it, or if you should only take it if the 1-to-1 hasn't already been delivered. Because of the volume, yeah. Today posted something in chart spam. Why do these refuse to stay on my chart? Let's put the shot back into the range. After we swept the high. Come on, I'm off. I kind of want to take it to 19 because of this low, but I'm not going to get greedy. Okay, I'm not going to let it come back on me now. What's in a handle? She might just trail this. See, we grabbed daily low and shifted above M15 any trades. Yeah, I just took. This is my second now. I'm in a short, trading back into this range. If it pushes above here, I'm gonna perfect. Keep trailing it down. Okay, if it goes above these highs here, I've got my stop loss. Open for one nice push to the 19 here. To suit that low, but push. I think I'm gonna get wicked and then gonna go down, but yeah, I got stopped there. So I trailed my stop. Perfect. I didn't want to stay in that. It was perfect trailing. It actually never closed above, so I don't might have this zone. So we grab the daily wick. Yeah, from yesterday. I mean, I do think that he's gonna get taken soon. And then we could like bounce out of either the S&D responsible here. Pretty sure this is the 50% of it that I have drawn. Although it's not. So I'm not sure what that is. So when high, but it's like scuffed my damn trend line. I was waiting for this breaking down and bear side of the curve. I don't even know what it's called. I didn't even learn that with ICT. Did not even his trade down. He did. A baller. Yeah, true. True. So going up into this unmitigated zone after sweeping. Actually, we did sweep and get some sort of pullback. So maybe another one. Okay. Wait. Maybe thinking we reject out of this zone here. just missed the 50%. Considering limiting the 50. Because this was left unmitigated after we swept these highs here. You ever trade London? I took 3 trades today and they're all good, was clean. Not really, no. Even though I'm from the UK, I don't trade London. Sometimes it does look really clean, like, yeah, today you're right. Like, this is super clean. These swings are really nice. Structure did what structure does. Please, what is it? Oh, the red zone, it's the submitigated zone here. That we didn't mitigate. This one. Oh, it's high. Excuse me. Price is getting very tight. Let's just see where the... This did close, so it's even... Comes to here, and then I protected low. It's here. Price is getting very tight. Oh damn, Dave had my he had this zone done though. Wonder why he had this on. I mean, this is the last. This is the actual swing itself, but this is what's left of Mega. But he had this. He just posted a chart of the exact sweep I was talking about. Yeah. The action wasn't great so far. Enough to be paid for sure. I'm kind of just like mainly waiting for this to be cooked to the bottom. Yeah. Kind of wants to close below here so we can look for some downside. Just as we're so many swings up, continuations. I don't want a long here. So at least I want to see this cook before I want a long. Me personally. This would be moved to trade it out and mitigate it as we went. Let me open this channel rather than having it on my phone. Yeah, too far up now. I want to see some downside. Way overdue in swing numbers. Yeah, I don't even have swing number around anymore. We've got 4 swings in this like failure to go above here. 4 swings just in this little area here. 5, 6, I think 6. More than I want to take a continuation anyway. Good morning, Rom. How's things, dude? Come on, push. Sorry, wait for the 50%. Okay, so Dave was saying was waiting for the 50%. I did mention this myself, but I feel like I need to listen to myself more sometimes, man. Like I'll say an idea and then it'll go out the window and then it'll play out perfectly. Like I literally said, this just missed the 50%, meaning toilet. I have issues saying that on stream. Toilet paper people, shorts cooked here, and then obviously your second one, as well as your second candlestick structure flip.
Target filled.
Sometimes, man, this back is personal. I enter here, we consolidate, and then of course the expansion is after me. Okay, let me take the low. Give up. Give up. Did you catch Dave's streams, Ron? Stream this morning? Stream was good. Protected doors at 11:04. No. I have the protected door here. Let me just double check that though. Now you mention it. Yeah, so we did close above. Let me see where this high was. Price just moved 3-1, and we closed at 3-1-2-5. So this did close, and we got the pullback. So the protected doors here now. Oh wait. Yeah, 11:04. Yeah, so the protected doors this candle, the 11:13 one. We did just get a failure to close. I don't remember why this was here. I don't know what we were sweeping. Yeah, so we did get a candlestick. We did get a candle closure. We just broke out. So this is going to become our last swing. Which I'm going to look for a 50% tap of this. Sun was nice. I'm just going to move that to the left though. Ah, this for a sweep. So I've been streaming for an hour and a half, but that is so not the case. Okay, so this closed at 11:50. Oh, never mind. Just said that. Yeah, I took the shot from up in here. This retest closure here, come back in and came down, but I closed. I don't know. I can't see my markers. I think it was just below this, I believe. So to get closure, I'm gonna. There's no sweep into that area. I do favor it for a short. Something I struggled with is the S&Ds that are right on the edge of the zone. I just never take those. I haven't batted to. So like, I think I know what you mean. So say if we like wick above and then let me find an example. I think I know what you mean. It's like say if this like wicks above here. Do you mean this one? These are the ones I sometimes don't know what to do with because we kind of just wick above and then, but it is technically icing the out because we didn't close. I hate those zones. Just seeing the biggest rant between two guys on Twitter, Stoic and someone else. Yeah, I don't. I need to backtest that also. Yeah. I've just set up my FX replay. I'm on the 3rd of Jan. Fresh account and set up for 10:30 open. So I'm gonna stream to one latest. And then I'm gonna get backtesting. Good morning, Jay. Okay, I like this limit now because we've got this to sweep. That wasn't a valid pullback. We didn't come above the bearish candle. How's today been? Any good trades? I've took 3. I don't even know what my first trade was. I got cooked on the first one. Oh, I remember. It was a re-entry on a buy stop. What candle did I re-enter on? I'm pretty sure. I think it was this one. I'm pretty sure it was this. Oh no, 'cause that's a bearish candle. Yeah, I have no idea what my first trade was. Expecting a range anytime soon? It looks like it. I could expect to sweep this and back in. I hope so. I hope so. Make my best trades when we're in a range. I took a short from up here just to here. I didn't catch the whole low just because I don't know. I didn't want to be greedy for that. And then I also caught another short. I don't remember. me turn my damn markers on straight up easier. Markers only. Shot from here. I also took a shot from here. The rejection from this unmitigated zone. And where was the one I got cooked on? It was this candle. Ah yeah, so this one closed. I put my sell limit here. It took me and went above this high and took me out. It looks like it's facilitating a higher time frame pullback. I think price can retract to 615. Yeah, I'm expecting some downside, especially because we've had only 2 swings. Yeah. On the 5 minute, we're yet to close above. No, we're not. We closed above now. Okay. Before when I looked, we didn't have this last candle, so that zone up top was definitely nice. Yeah, they've also spotted that. Posted a photo in the membership of taking a shot out of here because we had all these highs here. I was watching. But if we come back into the 50%, I'm gonna take a shot. How big is this? Ugh. Ugh. Stoic does love a good argue on Twitter. Stoic will argue for like an hour, and then Charles will just come in and like say the most random comment. I'm gonna stay patient for this 50%. No shots coming out of it. Okay, say that and we just. It's cool. Put some music on to help with the patience. We did close here. We didn't get a high pullback though. Meaning we could maybe get another. We could actually get a bear pullback. 50% is still left unmitigated, as is most of this zone. Technically, this was the S&DR, right? RPG trades is killing it, man. So I'm just putting days private Discord. Second day of taking one trade a day and going back to backtesting. Got broken by the markets before. No, got broken by the markets before. No more. I'm maybe considering putting a limit on my trades also. Before going to backtesting. So I've got some kind of limit rather than just like waiting now. Screw. So I'm gonna think tonight if how many trades I want to make that. I'm already on 3 trades already. You consider 15-minute zones? I don't frame trades off 15-minute zones. No. I use it for bias. I like the 15-minute for a bias and narrative. So I have this zone that we've come back into. Mitigate 50% and expecting low prices, but I feel like it's a too big a zone for me. Really, I haven't. Yeah. Mm -mm. I can remove this now. I actually lied. I did take I actually did take some trades during London today. Just different zones, and for me with my schedule, it's nice to have a larger zone where I can say it and forget it. Yeah, the big zones do work out. So let's see where we are in terms of the 1-to-1. I reckon this would be way too big though, huh? 100 handles. But the way you could have done that was looking for a zone within here that was unmitigated, which you would have found this. Which gave the 1-to-1 really fast. And all can't speak, and and also the previous candle's low. Yes, but that would make it near the 70% took a short from there and 1-to-1 delivered. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. How long have you been trading DTFX, Corbins? I'm setting up Take Profit Trader account currently and was wondering what your thoughts on Trader 8. Ninja Trader gets better fills. I prefer Ninja Trader. Obviously, if you're trading on your phone on the go, it's not ideal because yesterday I realized I couldn't trade my account that I bought. Like I bought another eval at the start of the week, and I realized I couldn't trade it on my phone yesterday when I went out. That's why I had to trade a PA. But Ninja Trader does get better fills. It's not like crazy like forex. Like if you short here, you're not gonna get filled like down here. But took that 1-to-1. Should have waited for 0.25. Our profitable loser. Where's I don't even know where Sunday Open is. Oh, here. From here. So yeah, a tap back into here and then a 23% could be a good short. This is Sunday Open, by the way. It's actually here. I don't know why it's slightly there. I say, see what's good. Yeah, guys. I used to have Apex PA linked and a couple of Rhythmic evals, and the other ones are always quite a bit behind. Like if I'd made like 5-6 trades, it was like a noticeable amount behind. So I'd always get Ninja Trader if you're always at your desktop. I have two elite funded account PAs right now, and they kind of like irritated me. I'm gonna get them to pay out. Anyone in C Pope Discord? C Pope made the Discord, and I saw him talking about it. I am not now. I saw him talking about it. Let me check his Twitter. I know he talked about doing Discord calls. I saw it on his Twitter, but first thing I open is C Pope up 2k. Damn. I believe you need to DM him on Discord to get invited. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'd do it. Let's see. First day in Discord was fun. Hope everyone did well. Oh, okay. So it's not even. He's actually shows thoughts in the chats. I don't believe he'll give financial advice. No, just from what I've seen from C Pope, obviously he's not a financial advisor. But it's free apparently. I have a free Discord channel. Only requirement is a take profit trader evaluation account purchase. Must send proof of purchase with my code. C Pope trader server. We use please and thank you where I'm from, so please feel to use that in our dialogue together. If you didn't have money to join Dave's membership, that could be an option. If I mean, I guess you still have to buy an eval, but when you guys were talking about Dave being live today, was it on YouTube membership? On his Yeah, it was on his Discord. It was in the private membership. Yeah, I did. Been trading DTFX for 3 months. Been consistent since I found this. Super thankful for Dave. Still got to learn order flow. Yeah, the price is the same every single day, right? So if something changes, it's us. We had a failure to go lower here. And price is also getting very tight. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution would be nice. What the? No worries. I'm guessing it's. He originally said he was gonna do a Discord for like he was asking for like price. And he was gonna do like a stream or two a week, I believe, at 2 different time zones, and he was just gonna like answer people's questions and stuff, I believe. From what I saw on Twitter, anyway. I know nothing about that. I'm not in it or anything like that. See poke. Yeah. I don't actually know how much a take profit evaluation is. I believe it's like 100. The one is not a validated low. 1120. No, it's not. It's not valid low because this is our high here. If you're saying this is our low, we need it to close above the high, and we only wicked. That's why it wouldn't be zone. On the lower time frame, it could well. Okay, on the lower time frame, it is a zone. So if you trade on the 15 second, you could have this as your first swing here, which is also is in the 50% of the larger swing. But on the 1 minute, the time frame I'm tracking, it didn't close. So we need a candle closure here. Let me just do it with a proper line so you can see it didn't close. These boxes do my head in. I'm waiting to see the manipulation. If we manipulate down, I'll consider a long out here. How big is this zone though? Wide, I'm guessing. 19. Maybe a potential buy stop entry. Let's count the lower time frame swings. So we talked about this. Should also be a swing. Okay, we've had enough swings. 4 swings I've counted on the lower time frame for me. That was just to take a swing out of here. I have it in my rules that I can only have 3+ swings into a zone I want to take a rejection out of. Thanks for explaining, no worries. No worries. Turn my light on real quick, it's getting dark. $200 blocks remain until Bitcoin halving. Halving. God, I wish I could mine 1 Bitcoin block. Can you tell me the importance of 12 144-minute time frames? I'm learning these concepts and I hear DTFX use these time frames. Dave never like specifically told us to use the time frames. The reasoning behind it is the 5-second is nice for 1 minute zones. So a lot of people in DTFX use the 5-second for entries, like finding a flip here, closed below, came back into the 50% and out. So a lot of people use the 5 seconds, sorry. And the only thing for 12 minute and 144 is 5 second to get to 1 minute. You times it by 12. So price being fractal, people want it as a number divisible by each time frame they use. So 1 minute times 12, you get your 12-minute time frame, and then 12-minute times 12, you get your 144-minute time frame. But there's nothing specifically that you're going to see on a 12-minute that you're not going to see on a 15-minute, really. It's essentially going to be the same things. You're not going to see something crazy that you're not going to see on the others. But some people like it. So that pretty fast. If I put my iTunes here, does it show up on the stream? Oh, perfect. It's kind of in the way of my damn toolbar there now. I've lost access to my toolbar. Got it. This fractal also hasn't been tapped into. The high and the low here. Yeah, just accumulating. This is painful. Still use price. Kind of wish I just went to backtesting now. This has been painful. That's kind of hard to say. Dave just absolutely smoked someone on Twitter. If you sweep this, I'm not going to take any of this fractal. I'm waiting for the 50% to short down. What platform do you backtest on? FX Replay. I've actually got a session set up. I did it as I started my stream. But Ninja Trader can be good for getting like like more practice like in live markets. Well, not live markets, but you know that feeling. So you can see the candles print in market entries and stuff like that. FX Replay is a bit more clunky for placing orders. A Ninja Trader has seconds time frames if that's what you trade on. How many trades do you take average in a session? Probably like 4, 5. I've took 3 so far. 1 winner, 2 winners, 1 loss. Okay, so we failed to this and we're going for this zone. Okay, I'm attempting to take a buy stop out of this area. No worries. FX replay is not bad. Apparently they are adding seconds time frame soon, I've been told. But I believe that's been said for a while. That's just a 50% of this fractal because it did trade out and back in. So I want to watch that 50% also. Sweep. God, that was loud. Let's cancel my limit and it's get the life out of me. I'm gonna have to turn it down. Accumulation, manipulation. Tap into this zone, please. I'm looking for a long out of here, maybe. Um, hmm. Free followers on Twitter of 2.2k. We didn't come into the fractal. Oh, we did. We did come into this one that I mentioned. Nice bounce out of here. I biased up this candle. Entry here. Just because of how many swings we had down. Where would this is counter trend, so I'm very close to cutting. Okay, just cut. Just cut entry. I don't like the fact that we didn't tap into the low. I'll look for the second re-entry and the the buy stop. I think it's a better choice. A definite better choice. I'm so glad I actually wait for it to say zero either way. And that was quite a lucky exit, to be fair. So that's the same as I'd wait for a trade above here now, and then you just start to go below the low of this, provided it doesn't cook the low, but it saves you the loss. Well, damn, got exited. Yeah, deal. I almost got absolutely cut there. I even trade a range, hell yeah. Yeah. Sweet back in. You're touch 61, I'm gonna take a bounce out of it. I'm thinking we could get reaction out of this fractal though. I started to see a lot of good reactions from the multiple mitigations area Dave talks about. Take for example the down candle at 10:47 and 10:39. 7:49. Okay, this one. Yeah. And see the reaction after we finally trade below. Yeah, so the trade below and back in. Yeah. Yeah, it was nice. Oh, limit's at 61, by the way. After what I see happens at 61, I'm gonna go backtest. Actually, today before the stream, I'm not time for food again. Been working on video 1 to 3, finding the larger move, trading it with a micro and scalping with larger size lower time frame zones. Yeah. So that's what Dave explains, doesn't he? He tells you from your first flip, say you got in up here, and you've got this area down here to target, you can leave this position and then take these ones. That video, that is video 2 or 3, I can't remember which one exactly. I think it's video 3, if I had to guess. Video, I think that's video 3, yeah. So we had the expansion down, tapped into this now. That looks ugly. Notification button, still not fixed, really? It should be. I disabled it. Let me go check my channel again. I found the thing to disable. YouTube Studio settings channel. Yeah, I literally changed it. No, this channel set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content. It's cursed. I reckon that's just like the importance you put around it and like being scared. I can be the same. When I get close to a payout, I can bounce around like being close to a payout for so long. I don't know how long it takes to update. It no longer says my channels. Because when I clicked on Social Blade, it said it was. Yeah, I saw it yesterday. I checked on my girlfriend's phone. It's the same, and that's when I went in and changed it. I wonder if it takes like a bit of time. I'm not sure. If it's not done by the weekend, I'm gonna have to like contact them and I see the manager. I also wouldn't mind a sweep up into this 50% because we've got these early shorters here. Ranging right now. New York's not what it to be, me too. What is this? So bored. Can't wait to go back to us, if I'm being honest. There's just no movement right here. I'm trying to see if I can even get one of these limits on either side. Then I'm going to call it a day, but mid equal highs, run the low. Yeah, see you later, Jason. I'll be joining you soon. This ain't it. I feel bad for anyone that's stuck in an entry from here in the middle. Just up, down, oh, profit, buy, non-stop. Just gonna run to start real quick why this is doing nothing.
down that shot. I came back and missed nothing. I'm not waiting for a sweep up here anymore. I'm also no longer waiting for this fractal, I'm waiting for the 50%. I've noticed that I somehow see it differently being working on it. I've free funded, I group traded, and took a trade I've taken 100 times already and got scared and closed early. Is that from going to funded? Yeah. The psychology part of it. I mean, that's what an A plus setup is. A perfect range for me. Hold up. Um, 2 follows off 2k, 2.2k. This is a perfect set for me. These conditions are a perfect M1 range. We can obviously tell we're ranging because we're failing to put in any high or lows. And then a sweep and trading back in, a sweep and trading back in. Look how easy this is. This is my favorite type of setup. This would be my A plus setup. So this is a 5-second, but that's just for entries, but it is a 1-minute range. So we know this is the top of the range, the bottom of the range. So looking for sweeps and a long back in, a sweep and a long back in. Yeah, buy and sell stuff entries. So I believe they were on a 15-second. That's why they kind of like in a weird place, but it was a 15-second candle, yeah. And it was a 10 to 10 stop loss. Because sometimes you can like come and just like sweep the low. It's like here. So let's say I entered here and you get a little wick above, it would have kept you in. Evaluation psychology, I'm locked in patience and then an F. I'm just anxious. Working on this, I'm switching to C and it's excitement. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, true, multiple mitigation zone. From this fractal. I'm waiting for the manipulation up into one of these, hopefully. If there's nothing by one, I'm done. I'm not gonna watch this all day and waste that much time just like watching no movement. At least in backtesting, I could skip over. Yeah, I do use buy slots in the 15-second. Not in ranges like this. No, not really. Just because it can kind of get wicked in. But when it's like a really solid range, like I mean, this is you could definitely use it for this. Let's say this did sweep above this height, it matched it. Now let's say we get like the tiniest wick above, like that. Damn, do you want to stop moving my damn? Say we got the wick above. Your buy stops here. 10 for 10, like I said. Top of the range, bottom of the range. Do you want an extreme? So a sweep and a tap back in. But we do have this zone bully, bully. Can't get my words out. We had the zone beneath, that's why I wouldn't have been taking that back into that range. You need to kind of know like where your range is and what it's doing. Okay, that I got absolutely cooked. I had a limit here. That zone. Wow. Wow. How do you go all in on? Normally all in. I'm not the best at trading. I've been working on it. I was trading like gold during Asia yesterday, working on trailing my stop loss with profit like behind each M1 candle and stuff to pay myself. But I didn't sweep in that. I did not. So did we? Oh, you're joking. Wow, you're joking. Ah, yeah. One-to-one delivered. What was my zone again? I want to analyze. Okay, so I had that because it did come back and mitigate the 50%. So I don't feel like it was stupid to take that. I can't go back because of still not the right zone. It wasn't a valid swing, true, but it'd be a fractal, so a lower time frame swing, yeah. But I just thought because it had traded, it already. Where is it gone? So obviously this is our high and low. We closed above, but then we came back into the 50% here, and then traded out. So I thought wrong apparently though. um, yeah, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Not by stopping this. Why not, dear? It's only like a 30 stop loss. Oh wow. 36. Your buy stop TP is only up here. That was irritating, man. Especially that the 50% was here. I just did my wrong damn zone. I mean, TP up here is you'll be fine. Okay, we're going back into this range, aren't we? This is accumulation, manipulation, and like a retracement. Back into top and bottom of the zone. Why sometimes when I log into different accounts on my NinjaTrader do I just hit order filled? I saw it following and I scared the life out of me. Number 19. If I step in the second one. True. Yeah, that's what Dave did say to do for the big ones, right? I'm kind of glad I traded on the eval today. That I'm back to where I started with this cookie in my zone. Mm-mm-mm. I'm looking for a sweep of this maybe and back in. If the 15-second trade's back in, I'm going to take the short. 13's more like it, Dan, huh? But the fact we're already back in the range, normally you want to buy stuff to take it back into the range, which we're already back in, so... Buy stuff still wouldn't have been activated. Yeah, that's why I anticipated it's not traded much higher, as we'd already come back into the range. I think this gets cooked now. So we're going back into the range after getting back into the range. Yep, sounds about right. And if you also zoom out, you'll realize we left this range and came right back into it. This is a weak high, weak low, sorry. Bit of Michael Jackson on. Hopefully brings some movement. So that profit from the 15 minutes since we saw this touch the 50%. Okay. Got you. I'd expect this to give some reaction as we've only partially mitigated it. maybe even like a multiple mitigation zone. But okay, I'm wasting my time watching this. I'm gonna end the stream and go back test. I don't think I'm gonna trade for the rest of the session. I've been on eval today anyway. Back to nothing. Two losses, 2 wins. That's fine. I'm gonna go load up my FX replay. Yeah, you too, DN. Enjoy the rest of your trading. When is the trading competition in? Let me look. The room. I closed the tab down. Oh, you done? So, why don't you mark and extend the 2 swing to the left? This, just because we're chopping around in this range right now. I didn't want to with these highs here and nothing swept into it. I wouldn't have took a shot. Oh, it's ended. Oh hell yeah! Damn, you scalped the end of it. Alright, I'll catch you guys later.